In a small neighborhood, loud screams echoed as a mother forbade her son to bring his new girlfriend to her birthday party. "You barely know her. She can't come, she's not family," said the mother. "Not family? How can she become family if she's never allowed to come to family events? I'm done with this. If she can't come, then I won't be part of this family either," he shouted angrily as he slammed the door and drove away. She couldn't believe her own son had turned against her. She only wanted the best for him. Months passed and neither of them made the first move to reconcile. One day she was sitting in the garden when a reminder popped up on her phone. It was for her birthday. She cried bitterly as she thought about what had happened with her son. At that moment, the neighbor stood at the garden fence and asked, "Are you okay?" "Not really," she replied, and started telling him the story of how her son turned against the family. The neighbor listened attentively and then said, "If your son prays to find true love, would God just send him a woman? Or would God give him the opportunity to meet someone? If you want your family to be close again, would God just give you a perfect family birthday? Or would God give you opportunities to invite everyone to get to know and love each other?" Marie was new in the city and didn't know anyone. She often felt lonely at school as she hadn't made any friends yet. One day she noticed a boy called Max who was also alone. He was often teased by the other children because he was always sticking his nose in books. Marie decided one day to sit down with Max and talk to him. She quickly discovered that they had many interests in common, especially a love of books. Every day during the lunch break, Marie and Max sat down together and laughed a lot. The children at school kept looking over at them and couldn't understand how such outsiders could have so much fun. Soon some of the children became so curious that they also sat down with Max and Marie. They were happy to meet every new child and were very interested in the hobbies of the others. Max and Marie showed the other children that it is okay to be different and that true friendship knows no prejudice. One day when Marie looked into the group of children who now sat with them every lunch break, she saw how happy Max looked at her, and she realized that true friendship often develops where you least expect it. Openness and kindness can build bridges between people.